Now I'm going to show you the molds they are used in the railing system. Let's start with the baluster mold. The baluster molds, it's two pieces, and pretty much you put them together, and it comes with screws and wing nut. And there are 17 of them. You'll need 16 to tie up these two pieces together. You have the straight rail. The straight rail, it comes in two pieces. You have the bottom piece with the channel where the vertical rebars go and the horizontal rebar. The same parts, it's used also upside down on top like this. And once on top, this is the cap that will cap it up. We have also a radius rail, which 72-inch radius once it's put all together. We have a corner rail, again the same, two pieces with the channels for the rebar and the cap. And we have the newel post. And the newel post, it comes in two pieces, the front, the sides, which usually they go like this, and a newel cap. The newel cap, after you build your newel post, front, back, and sides, you cap it with this one. Pretty much that's complete the whole system you will need to create a nice and beautiful railing system. Now we're going to start with the baluster. So first thing we need to do is to go ahead and drill the bottom of the mold here for the size of the rebar that we're going to be using. This is a 3/8 inch diameter rebar, and we have a 3/8 inch drill bit. So keep it nice and tight and go ahead, drill. Okay. Now it's all drilled out. Clean it up. We could go ahead, start greasing the mold and getting it ready for assembly. So we use, here I'm using some cooking spray, a little bit inside. A little bit in the corners. This is a little bit too much. I'd like to use a little bit less, but my cooking spray here is getting a little bit on the empty, so I'm going to have a little bit extra. So now, all what I need is to put it together, open up my packet of screws and wing nut, start dropping the screws in. And there is two on the bottom, and pretty much you start attaching the wing nut. And finger tightening all what you need. Now we're ready to put the rebar in the mold, so we'll go ahead, put the rebar in the hole we drilled, push it in. All the way. As you see here, there is a 1 inch distance. Once it's all molded, the rebar will be sticking out from the bottom 1 inch. As well, on the top, it will be sticking another inch on the top. So once you fill it up all the way here, it will be 1 inch that's sticking out. Now we're ready to fill up the mold with our mixed concrete.